Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So Sagittarians, we have the Page of Cups, the King of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, the Nine of Swords, Ace of Cups, Strength, the Ace of Swords, and the Hierophant. So Sagittarians, there seems to be a new beginning to some extent, or step forward. You can say in a situation you are really feeling emotional about. Okay. See, what I feel is that you started investing emotionally in a particular situation. Okay, though it wasn't big deep into it, but then yes, you did start moving emotionally towards a situation or a person, but now somehow what you feel is you are reevaluating it. Okay, something is there which you feel is the time to reevaluate. You are rethinking and reevaluating this situation, whatever this was, towards which you moved in really emotionally. Okay, so this first step was with a lot of emotions, with a lot of, I should say, with a lot of affection, love, passion, emotion, whatever it is. But then there is something which is making you take a step back and retreat, and okay, let me give it another look, let me think logically, whatever I am doing, is it right or not. It's something of, you are reevaluating it with a little distant vision, sort of. You're stepping back, giving it a logical look, reviewing it, analyzing it. It's something like that. Okay, and it's a very mature energy now. See, it's something like that you did something in a very lovey-dovey type of a manner, and now, okay, no, I need to be mature, I need to think about it. It's that contrast of an energy. Like initially it's a very naive type of an energy, and then immediately you realize that no, maybe what I am doing is wrong. I need to think it like this, I need to do this, I need to do that. So it is a re-evaluation type of a thing which is going on. And the thing is, whatever the situation is, you really want to, you really want to solve it very fast. You really want to solve it very fast because it is really bothering you. There is something which has happened over here in this situation. It's starting with the Page of Cups, and here we have the Ace of Cups. So in between, this is a new beginning here again with the Ace of Cups. Maybe it's something, it's someone, it's totally something new here. It can be a new person, it can be a new situation, it can be anything new. And now this is something which you are really feeling good about. Okay, this is something which you are really feeling good about. So what I feel here is that whatever you took a small step forward initially, you feel that no, this is not the right decision for you, perhaps, or whatever it is, it wasn't the right move, it wasn't the right decision, or things were not as you thought them to be. So you are reevaluating them, and you really want to solve them. You really want to cut that short, this anxiety period, this tension period, you really want to end it. Okay, and you feel that urge to stop it, and you are really feeling, see, it's causing you a lot of anxiety, it's really bothering you, really want to cut it short. Whatever the stress is, you really want to cut short the stress, cut this stress period short. And what I feel here is that you are ultimately moving towards something new. You're moving towards something new. You're having a new beginning here with the Ace of Cups. And then I think things will be okay with the Ace of Cups, Strength, Ace of Swords, and the Hierophant. So here it seems to be more of a, it can be a new love or a new opportunity, whatever it is, regarding which you feel that is what is going to give you the stability actually. Whatever this new beginning is. So whatever you started here, what I feel is it won't materialize perhaps. it's causing you a lot of anxiety. You are reevaluating it, and what you will decide is, I think that is what is the right decision also for you, that you should have a new beginning here. Have a new beginning here, and even if it requires a lot of strength and perseverance, but then yes, if you are able to push it through, if you are able to, it will be you. It may cause, you may need some time to come out of that anxiety, whatever it was which you've been dealing with. But then yes, if you are able to push through it, you will get that happiness and stability. So what I feel is that there is something new which is coming up, and that is what is right for you, rather than where you are right now. 3 cards have popped up: the Magician, the Five of Hearts, and the Queen of Diamonds. So you need to give time to yourself to heal yourself. There is no point in crying over the spilled milk. There is a lot of, there is a new beginning. Definitely there are many things which are troubling you. There are many things which are troubling you. You need to take care of your heart. You need to find peace within yourself. You need to feel more grounded. You really need to address some issues which are bothering you actually emotionally. That's what I feel. There is something which is really bothering you emotionally. You really need to learn from your past mistakes so that you can move forward. But definitely I think there is a new beginning here. Definitely. And that is the right decision for you. Seeing clearly is the guidance from the angels. Number 12 may be of some significance for you. It's time to view things from a different perspective. You have a blessed gift to see the past and the current situation and envision amazing possibilities. Don't worry, the pause in the momentum while you rethink your plan won't last. Embrace your uniqueness and allow it to serve you. So that is what you need to do. See clearly and then take the decision. So maybe that is what you've done, and that is why you are reevaluating the situation, whatever you move towards. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.